Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our little microwave here, the SKU for which is RPM-1-BLK. So what's so great about this little microwave here? It gives you a total of 1 cubic foot space inside the microwave, so you got plenty of room for cooking and reheating your items. It also has very easy to use touchpad controls and a very nice looking trim kit. It really blends in well with all kinds of decor. It also features 6 express cooking options as well as 10 different power levels, so you can really kind of customize exactly how you want your microwave to cook your food. The instant start button will also add 30 seconds every time you press it. So if you're cooking something for a minute and decide it needs a little more time, you can press it and add another 30 seconds, or press it twice and add a whole another minute. It also features a defrost mode that lets you choose to defrost by weight or by time. It also has a child control safety lock. So what that will do is it will lock the controls of the microwave to prevent kids from accidentally messing up the settings or starting the microwave when they shouldn't be. It's also very easy to install. It usually should only take about 15-30 minutes to install one of these. And speaking of installing, if you want to see how we installed this microwave, click this video here. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.